Hello, everybody. We have a uh, user. It's called iPad. Oh, my Miles or Miles
哎，你
Miles。
好。
哎，你好，Miles，你好。啊，
你好，
嗯，你好。哦，你们是在 Minnesota 那边吗
对，我们在明尼苏达，在那个
？OK。
Rochester。
哦，OK。因为等一会儿呢，可能会有一些其他的同学。然后
嗯，
他们还不懂中文的，所
啊，
以有可能我们等一会儿要
用英语是吧？可以，
讲英文
可以，可
啊。
以，没问题。
好，那 Miles，你现在是几年级啊
kindergarten。
？Kindergarten。OK，so no problem. So, 嗯let's learn a little bit. OK. So have you heard
I
about
love math.
have you heard about this game?
The
The
game
game we
Go，
will learn before we will
像
learn
围
today.
棋，
嗯。
围棋你懂，你知道吧？
哦，那你有没有学过其他的 game？chess
Chess.
你学过吗？嗯。哦，那 chess 也是一个很好的 game。除了 chess，还有什么其他的 game 吗？比如说，tic tac toe 有没有学过呀
Tic Tac Toe，等爸爸给你，
？Yeah，probably in
还有这
your
个玩具呢，是
kindergarten
这个东西。
classroom。
3D 打印的
对，
，Tic
你可以
Tac。
哦，
看看 Tic
三
Tac Toe 的游戏，你说你玩过哈？
嗯
我还有玩过。
嗯，对，你得举起来，
，OK。
看不见，这样对。
嗯。好，那我们就准备开始了。我们先不管其他的同学了，那我们先用中文讲。如果等一会儿有其他人上来，我看他可能不懂中文的，那我们等会儿就用英文讲。
好
OK。
啊。
好，
嗯，
那我先把我的 screen share 一下。
哇，这
好
啊，你现在正早上上课了啊。
What did happen?
，What did happen？OK。好，嗯、那
What
我
did
呢
it
是郭
do?
老师，我是一个
你说高老师好。
数学的老师，我在
It's some,
Chicago 啊。
it's
然后
something
我
wrong.
是教同学们学数学的，但是
I
呢，
don't
我还
see
更多的时
him.
候教同学们 play game。那同学们都喜欢 game。那今天呢，我们就要学一个很 special 的一个 game。这个 game 呢是 the most challenging game in this world。
我
那它的名字呢就叫围棋。那你可不可以说一说这个名字？围棋，
围棋，
围棋。
围棋。
对，
是的，围棋呢也叫 Go Game，它的 Japanese 名字就叫 Go Game，English 的名字呢也是叫 Go Game。那围棋是什么样子呢？诶，那你看一看这个照片上面呢，你就可以看到了。诶，就是这个样子。诶，那今天我们就要学这个 game。那我们学之前呢，先看一看这一个照片上的故事。诶，这一个故事呢，你看到了什么呀？你在这个上面看到了什么？
围棋
围棋，除了围棋还有什么呀？
人
有人。诶，这一个人，你觉得他是一个什么人呢？你看他像什么样子？中间这个人，他像一个医生吗？他像一个 driver 吗？他像一个 teacher 吗？嗯，他像一个国王，一个 emperor，一个 king。那他呢，就是，
嗯
哎，他是中国的一个古代的一个国王。他的名字呢叫做尧。那尧呢，
然后
他有2个孩子。那以前呢，emperor 这个尧呢，他要选择一个，那 emperor 是一个国家的 leader，那他要选择 next leader。那他要选哪一个孩子做 leader 呢？那这个 Emperor 尧就很 worry，那我应该选哪一个做 leader 呀？可不可以随便选一个，好不好？不好，要选一个好的 leader，是不是啊？那 Emperor 尧呢，他就 invent 了一个 game。 就是这个围棋的 game。然后呢，他就教这个孩子，教他们两个都 play 这个 game，因为这个 game 呢就可以帮这个孩子去 think like a leader，make decision like a leader。那如果你要是 play chess 的话呢，you think like a army general，就像一个 army 的 leader 一样，那你就是要 fight，你要去 try to 这这个 kill other people，kill the other king。哦，那 official name 是不是叫 checkmate？是不是啊？你学了这个 chess 叫 checkmate。那围棋呢也有 purpose，但是呢，你是一个
我跟
top
你说个
leader。
事，我跟你说个事情，我跟我爸爸玩围棋的时候，I killed his king。
哦，
是
围
chess，
棋可没有
不是
king，
chess，
围棋可没
you
有
meant
king，
chess，
围棋的 king 呢就是你，你就是这个下围棋的人，you are the king，you are the 这个 top leader。Hi，Erna, right? Erna,
We have another
another. Okay.
friend.
Hello, Erna.
Anna，
Anna. Okay. How nice to meet you. We just start our game. Okay. So right now we are talking about who invented this game. In China, in 2000, probably 3,000 years ago, Emperor Yao invented a game and teach his son to be the leader of the country. So Emperor Yao invented this game and teach his son to play this game because this game help you to make decision, think like a leader, make decision like a leader. Okay, so today we will learn this game. It's called the Wei Qi or Go game. It's the most challenging game in this world. Okay,
it's
and Weiqi was invented in China, but it's played all over the world. And even President Obama, he knows how to play this game. So today we will learn the rule, and then we will work together to play a game. We will challenge a robot. A robot is a game. It's a computer
What?
that learn how to play a Weiqi game. Okay, so now let's start. So first, we look at the board and the okay. So a Weiqi, well, it has a board and it has lots of pieces. And so the purpose first we need to learn the purpose of this game. The purpose of this game is to survive. So let's learn about the word survive. In Chinese, it's called 活着. It's called survive. So you are the leader, and all the pieces, it's like your people, and you help them survive. So it's very easy. You take one piece and then play on the intersection, the crossing point of two lines. So you can choose anywhere to play. But once you play there, you cannot move it. It stays there. Okay, and then take turn to play. And looks like very simple. Okay, so help them survive.
It's 45,
Okay.
44.
And then we will learn the score of this game. So Weiqi game is a score. It's a game of number. The number is your population. Population means how many people in a big area. In this situation, how many pieces on the board? So right now, how many blue pieces on the board?
2.
2. That means for the blue leader, the score is 2. And for the red leader, the score is 3. But this game is not over. So we will continue play and help more people to survive on the board. So that's the basic idea. Next, we will learn the rule about this game. So we know that the purpose is to survive. That means sometimes you cannot survive. So for example, for our human being, what do you need to survive?
Air.
Air and food and water and a lot of things we need to need survive. Okay.
Light.
Yes. Light. Exactly. Yes. They are very basic things we need to survive. But in Weiqi game, well, it survive and with some empty points next to you. But if there's no empty points next to you, you cannot survive. Like this situation, this blue cannot survive. If you cannot survive, it must be taken away from the board. Usually the red player takes the blue. So this is the game. Uh, so the location next to you is very important. So it helps you to survive. So we need to give it a name. Okay. So the name for this location, this, this, and we have a name. And the official name is called qi. Qi basically means air or air supply, and it also has another meaning. Have you watched the movie? It's called Kung Fu Panda.
Yes.
Oh, you watch, or maybe you know that movie. Okay, in fact, we have Master
Look
Wu
this.
Gui here. And
Master
Master
Wu
Wu
Gui.
Gui says, Qi is the energy flows through all living things. So Qi also means energy supply. So for this one, well, you have lots of Qi. It's here, here,
Yeah.
here, and here. So how many Qi points? It's 4, right? Okay, so usually we say this blue has 4 qi, means it has 4 location or 4 qi point that you can get energy. So for this one, you have 4 qi. The location is the empty intersection next to you. And then how about here? If you play here, how many qi for this one? Can you show me your finger? How many qi do you think you have? 3. Do you agree? Yes, it's 3. It's this, this, and this. And there's no empty intersection on the outside of the board. So only 3.
It's outer space.
Okay. And then how about here? If you play this location,
Come here, baby.
that's only 2 qi left. Okay. So right now, do you think qi is good for your for your health? Is this good for you to survive? Qi.
Yes.
Yes. So usually qi is a good indicator for your safety. Usually, if you have more qi, it's good. If you have less qi, not very good. Or
What if
if
I
you
have
increase
less
your
than
qi,
4?
it's good. If you decrease the qi,
Is
that
less
means
than
it's not very good.
45.
Okay, so now let's make the first decision. When you play this game, you start with empty board. So you need to choose one location. Do you want to start from the edge of the board? Is that good? Not very good, right? You have less qi over there. So you probably start from somewhere in the middle. Okay, so that's the first decision. And we also get the knowledge. It's a little bit hard to survive on the edge of the board. Okay, so now let's continue to play. Okay, so next we will learn the change of qi. We basically know that increase your qi is good, decrease the qi is not good. Okay, so look at this situation. This situation, black and white, they are all separate. This situation we call it's called a cross cut. They're all separate, and everybody they have only 2 qi, 2 empty points next to you. Okay, and then if it's black's turn, black play here. The new situation. Oh, in fact, I can use this board. Can you see the green board on the board?
Yes.
Green board. Okay. So right now, this situation, everybody they have 2 qi, and then if it's red's turn, red play here. And then how many qi for this blue one?
1.
Only 1 qi left. Yes, you're right. 1 qi, we call it a red alert situation. This is your last defense line. And for beginner, well, the basic requirement is try to find all red alert and take action. And if you cannot find red alert, it's like you cross the road and then the car a car is driving very fast towards you and you take no action. You didn't realize it's red alert. That's a similar situation. So right now, this blue has only one qi left. It's red alert. And usually you have to take action. So how do you take action? Well, you can play one step here, one more piece next to you. And this situation, when two same color next to each other, we call it one string. And this string can share their qi. So in this situation, the blue has here, here, and here. So it has 3 qi now. So basically, you increase your qi from 1 qi to 3 qi. In real life, maybe you take action to move your location to a safe place. But in Weiqi game, you cannot move your pieces. But you can take action to increase the qi. So in this situation, you increase the qi to prevent the imminent damage. Imminent damage means a damage happen just next step. It happened very, very soon. So you prevent the red take you away. If you don't take action, you play at another location for some reason. And then the red may play here, take you away. Usually if it's take away, it's a damage. And of course, if you increase your qi, well, if you don't continue take care of them, the red can continue play, then both of them will be take away. So this is the rule about Weiqi game. So right now we have learned that qi is help it's your safety indicator. Usually you go somewhere with more qi. If you go somewhere with less qi, you probably need a reason. And if no reason, most likely not very good. Okay, and if it's take away, usually it's damage. Okay, so for example, right now, if it's blue's turn, and do you want to play here? Is this good?
No.
It's red alert immediately, right? So play here, probably not very good. And you probably need a reason. You have the freedom to do anything. But as a good leader, you need to learn to control yourself. So in fact, Weiqi will help you to learn to control yourself. So play here. Well, you only have one qi. Why? If there's no reason, most likely it's not very good. So in fact, this situation, where is a reasonable move? Do you think play here is good? How about play here? If you play here, at least you increase your qi. And if you play here, well, we have a location name. And this location, it's called F6. You find the number and alphabet here, and then you know the location. This location is called F6. And this location is called C2. So where do you play in this situation? If you play, where do you play? If you play D5, you're red alert. Oh, it's probably not very good. And you didn't take care of your people C3. And if you play C2, well, is this C2 help the one here, C3? Yes, it increases qi. Stay close, and that's probably a reasonable move. And if you play F6, well, that means you didn't take care of C3, and you help people survive here. And is that good? Is this bad?
Yes.
Or
Bad.
maybe you don't know it. So usually situation, you probably don't know it. And if you don't know it, that means there may be some danger in or risk. And so probably you need to make sure you are safe and help your people survive. It's a better idea. Usually beginner, they play a lot of move, take lots of action they don't know, and then finally there will be some trouble. Okay, right now we don't have enough knowledge, so probably play here. It's a reasonable move. Stay close with your friend, increase your qi. Okay, so right now we learned about qi. So next, look at this new situation. Look at this situation. So right now, this is the situation. Look at white here. White has a lot of qi. In fact, it has 6 qi, and the score for white, it's also 6. But the question is, although white has 6 qi, can white survive forever? Imagine many, many, many steps later. Can they survive for white?
I don't think so.
You don't think so? I agree with you. Most likely they will die. Well, for this situation, you only have 6 qi. If you don't take care of it, 6 qi later, you will die. Well, in fact, everything has a lifespan. Even our universe, like the earth, like the sun, there is one day they will die, they will disappear. Well, for Weiqi game, this situation, only 6 steps later, it will die. Okay, so looks like if you only have qi, even you increase your qi, you only have limited qi, finally one day you will be in trouble. And is there any way that you can survive very, very long? Well, the
No.
truth, if you say no, it makes sense. But the truth in Weiqi game is in some special situation, you will survive forever. And look at this
What?
situation.
Yeah.
So, yeah, yes, we will learn that. So now we
survive
start from
forever.
here. So first, can black survive on their board? Yes, all of them, they survive because they have qi. They're not connected as one string, but everybody they have qi, they have empty intersection. So second question is about math question. What's the population for black? How many blacks there? Miles, you are kindergarten, so maybe it's a little bit hard. Erna, you probably, what's your grade? Yes, third grade?
Second.
Second grade, okay. Yeah, that's good. Second grade. So how many black on their board?
18.
Like the black dots.
Is this 18 or what?
Yeah, you're right. Speak up.
Is it 18?
18, okay. Erna, what do you think? Second grade. Maybe you learned skip counting or multiplication.
18.
18. Yeah, the number is 18. So kindergarten usually probably you count one by one or by three. Okay, Miles, how do you know it's 18?
Because of skip count.
Skip count. Okay, Erna, how do you know?
Skip count by threes.
3. Okay. Well, there's another way.
She can
Well,
skip
3,
numbers.
3, 3, 3. All of them 3. Well, in fact, this one we can also call it every group there's 3 and there are 6 group. And this situation we can use another method. It's called multiplication. Means every group has same number and we have several groups. So this situation is called 3 times 6. 3 group, every group has 3 and we have 6 group. It's 3 times 6 and that number equals 18. You will learn that later. Right now we just introduce this. Okay, so Black score is 18, and you can increase your population. You can put more people on the board, so you will continue play, and this situation may happen. First, can Black survive on the board?
Yes.
Yes, they survive. They have empty spot here and here. That's a chi, so they will survive. What's the score for Black?
That's pretty much.
Yeah, that's a little bit hard for you, especially for kindergarten. Second grader, usually it's still a little bit hard, but I will teach you one way to know the score. Okay,
34.
34. How do you know 34?
Because 6 times 6 equals 36 minus 2 equals
Oh, you
34.
use, yeah, that's pretty good. You use multiplication combined with subtraction. Okay, so but for kindergarten, there's another way. Usually we use it in Weiqi game. It's called a partition. Partition means separate the big thing into small parts, and then you will know the number, especially separate into 10. So for example, in this situation, well, we can separate it like this, and this, and this,
34.
and 3, 10, and 4, right? Yeah, so
34.
you just find 10, and then you find this
4.
10, we have a name. In fact, I have this situation. This one is it's called a rectangle 10. So we will use this to learn the game. So it's 3, 10, and 4. Yes, they survive. How about here? What's the score for Black? Mm-hmm. Erna?
36.
36. But the hard question is, can they survive? Can they survive on the board? Do they have chi, the empty spot? No. That means all of them will be taken away and they will die. There will be 0. All of them will be taken away. And so the situation from here to here, how can this happen? If Black play here and here, it will happen. This is called the overflow. You play too much, you hurt yourself. And in fact, this situation, Black will survive forever. And the reason to survive forever is this chi and this chi. It's a special chi, and it's surrounded by the same color. So we give it a new name for this special chi. And this chi, it's called the eye, 眼睛 or eye. And then you survive forever. And so this situation, 2 eyes help you survive forever, and you get the maximum number of population. So this situation, we have a name. It's called the completeness. Means a perfect situation. You survive and survive forever with the maximum population. So when you play Weiqi, play Go game, and the final purpose is to get a situation like this, and you count your population. Okay, so
10,000.
and next we learn the basic action in this game. Okay, I will use the board here. Okay, the red one has only 1 chi left. Chi is also called the liberty. That's a translation to English. But now we will use chi. So this red one is only 1 chi left, red alert. If you play blue, can you play and take action and take away this red? Can you find that location?
Yes.
Can you tell me the location, the name of that location? What's the location name for this one? Here and here.
D3.
D3, yes. So the action you play here, and this action in Chinese is called a ti, and it's also called a take, or also translate as capture. So the action is play here, and you can remove this one from the board. This is the basic action you need to learn. Usually it's good for blue. So today when we play, we will learn this. Okay, so this is the basic action you can use. Okay, now look at here.
What?
Wow, this is special situation. First, look at here. For black, and in this red alert situation, only one chi left.
Yeah.
Yes, it's only one chi left. That means it's red alert, and that means white can play here, and then take all black away from their board.
What?
Yes, you're right. You can take it
How
away
can
from their
that
board. It doesn't
happen?
matter how many pieces, as long as they only have one chi, red alert, you can take it and then remove all black. But how about this situation? Can you play a white here?
Yes.
Well, if you play white here,
Here.
you will die immediately. You cannot
Yes.
take black. So that's why, well, in this situation, black will be safe forever. But this situation, no. The difference between the left one and the right one is the left one you only have one eye, but the right one you have two eyes. Now we have to know that two eyes help you survive forever. One eye, no guarantee. Two eyes usually must be separate. It can be anywhere, on the corner, on the edge, or somewhere in the middle. It's okay, but they must be separate.
Nice.
Okay, so that's how we play. Next, we learn how to finish the game. So usually, when we play Weiqi, we stay close with our friend, help our survive, and survive forever. We have two eyes. But if you want to survive more people, you need territory. Right now, this part is black's territory. This part is white's territory. This part, it's the public space. It's nobody's territory. Usually, you will take the public space when you play this game. Well, if you play white, you play here. Well, that means you're far away from your friend and you go somewhere with very limited chi. It doesn't make sense, or it's a high risk activity. So, probably not very good. You have the freedom to play that location, but you need to deal with the consequence. So right now, usually we take the public space. If you play high risk location, you need a reason. Or if there's some public space, you play inside your territory, that means you won't increase your territory, you need a reason. Otherwise, probably not very good. Is there a reason to do that? Yes. In the future, you will learn that reason. But right now, you don't know yet. So you take the public space. So both players take the public space. Then finally, there will be no public space. And then what do you do next? In some situation, people will stop and then they'll count the score. But for today, we will use the population score. So we will continue filling and increase the population. So black will continue filling and white will fill in. And then when this situation happen for black, do you want to continue filling? No. You have to keep two eyes open. If you continue filling, and it's called the overflow, they will die because they don't have qi, they don't have energy. So black will pass. And white will continue filling, increase their population. And finally, both player gets this situation. And both player will pass. Because anybody play, they will be in trouble. So nobody want to play, they will pass. They just say pass. And then the game is over. So basically when two player stop play, the game is over and we pass. And then we count the population. Okay, and this situation is called completeness, means a perfect situation. Everybody survive and survive forever with the maximum population. Okay, so that's how we finish the game. Next, it's an overview about Weiqi, and then we will start to play. So, for Weiqi game, for Go game, you start with empty board, and then you make lots of decisions. And then hopefully at the end of the game, you get a completeness situation. And then we count the, today we use population score, so we count population. You need to make good decision in the middle of the game. If you make bad decision, probably your final score will go down. And if you continue make bad decision, your final score probably will get 0. And if you continue, and sometimes there's no hope, you still play, but it's no hope. Okay, so what is good decision in the middle of the game? Okay, here are some examples. Go somewhere with more qi. It's a good decision. Go somewhere with less qi, probably not very good. Increase your qi, usually it's good for you to survive. Decrease other people's qi, maybe it's hard for other people to survive. But the purpose is to help your people to survive, not prevent other people survive. We know 2i help you survive forever. So if you make I, that's good. And if you prevent other people make I, maybe it's reasonable. Okay, and we know territory help you survive more people. So if you take more, if you get more territory, it's good. If you decrease other people's territory, it's reasonable. And usually, when we need to control the risk. Usually, stay close with your friend. That's the basic suggestion. If you stay far away from your friend, maybe there are lots of risk. You need reason to support your decision. Okay, so that's and another one. If it's red alert, and if you are in red alert, you need to take action. Otherwise, there will be some damage. So that's the basic knowledge we learn. It's a lot, in fact. So now we will start to play a game. So today we are online. So I will share a website so everybody can play online. Okay, so now I will share this website. This website is called Kosumi, and I will share it in the chat box. That means in the future, you can play it by yourself after today's lesson. Okay, and I will also share another board because when we play the game, I need to explain how we play, how we make decision. So I need another board. And so let me share another board a little bit.
Please.
Oh, this. This is weird. The game or the website I used to. Sorry. Okay, it's here. Okay. So right now this board, this one is a website. Can you see the number? It means board size 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you see the board? Oh, not board, not only the board. So you choose the board size. So today we start with a 5x5 board first. Okay, now I will start another board. We call it a demo board. And I will share it. Okay, so now
looks easy to survive.
Here. Okay, now can you see two boards? One is yellow and one is green. Can you see two boards?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so now we can start to play this game.
I
So
can't.
uh, we will play the game on the yellow one. That's the board we will challenge the robot. And the green one is the one that we will discuss together. Okay, so now, and remember, how do you say the location name? This one is called the D2, right? Because
D2.
yeah, because this location is D, this is the letter D, and this is 2. Okay, so now let's start. Where do you want to start? For our team, we will challenge the robot. Do you want to start with A5?
Nope.
Not very good. Can you give me some suggestion? Where is reasonable, Erna?
Start in the middle.
In the middle, C3.
Yes.
Minus, do you agree? I agree. Not bad. Yes. For which game, when you make decision, well, you need to deal with something you don't know. You need to deal with something you know, and you know it's good, you know it's bad, and something you don't know. So usually, if it's bad, don't do it. If it's
Yes.
good, then it's one option. But as a good leader, always push yourself to think for something you don't know. So right now, for C3, I think it's reasonable, not bad. Okay, so we play here. Okay, and then the robot will play white. Oh, the robot play C2. Oh, when two color contact each other, well, the decrease qi. Okay, so the decrease qi means, oh, we probably have more risk. Now, what can we do?
Put one on.
How about we play B2?
Yes.
When we play B2, we didn't increase our qi, but we decrease the qi for this C2. And how many qi for white now?
2.
2. If we take action, the white qi is 2. And how about qi for black? Well, for this one, we have 3. For this one, we have 3. So all our people, we have 3 qi. The white has 2. Looks like our people is stronger than white. So looks like it's not bad. Okay, so
Yes,
this is
no
one
doubt.
option. How about we play
Robot.
here?
No.
Not very good. How about
No.
here?
Yes, I got.
It's
No.
okay. Is
But
this black decrease the qi of white? How many qi for white? 3 to 2 now. Decrease white qi. So that's usually good. But how many qi for this one?
2.
Only 2. Well, probably
3,
not very
2,
good.
5.
Okay, and then another reason. Is this one stay close with your people, with your friends?
No.
No, that's another factor not very good. So now we have two choice. A or B. Which one is better?
A.
A is better. Do you agree? Yes. Well, you have the
Yes.
freedom to play B, but right now, with our limited knowledge, I think A is better. So we will play A. Okay. So we play A. We have more qi than white, and white play here. Well, now everybody is separate, and everybody has 2 qi, but it's our turn, so probably we have some advantage. So now I give you some suggestion. Well, this one, it has 2 qi. We can try to decrease the qi and put it in red alert. We can play here, C1, decrease the qi for this white. Or we can play D2 and decrease the qi for this white.
D2.
But which one is better, A or B?
I think B is better.
Erna, what do you think?
Louder.
B.
B. A. Well, the choice is
B.
play B is better.
B.
Because if play B,
Oh yeah.
the white will go to try to save it on the edge of the board, and then it's hard to survive. And if you play A, the white try to play here, and white has more qi, and in fact, this one has less qi. So play here, B
It's safe.
is better.
Yes.
Okay.
Come.
And now let's make us a better decision. When we can think for your opponent, you become a better leader. So now let's think.
Challenge
If
the
you play
robot.
white, if you are the white leader, what do you do? Think for white. Do you want to play here? Because it's red alert.
Yes.
Yes. And then now we think for black. If you play black, this white has 2 qi. You can continue decrease qi, put it into red alert, and
Put one here, one here.
D1.
Yeah.
Okay, and then
And
this is red alert,
A.
and then this one try to save it, and then where do you play? Can you find
A.
opportunity to play and remove your opponent?
A1.
A1, yes, you play here. 3 white
A1.
will die. And then
Yes.
let's go back to the beginning. If we play here,
Yes, they would die.
white play here. Can white really escape?
No.
No way. Then
Yes.
white will die. And then, do you think white will play here? C1?
Yes.
Okay, now we have to improve our leadership skill. We have to think the best move for white. If white play here, more people will die. Then the best decision for white is sacrifice this one. And because more people will die, and then you cannot save it. So you have to sacrifice it and let it die. And you try to help other people survive. So for me, I know white won't play here. But where should white play? Probably white will play here and try to survive in this area. So now let's see what happens if we play D2. And
What will he get?
oh, white really play here. When white play here, is there any red alert situation for black?
Yes.
We are in red alert. Okay, so what shall we do? Can we play here and try to surround this one? Do you think this action is good?
No.
Then white will take you because
Yes.
this one is red alert. You usually need to take action. So usually what do you do?
Put one there.
You can play this one,
Yes.
join your people together, and they can increase the qi.
Yes.
So this is one option. Okay. In fact, there's another option, but we just introduce it. You can take it, and then this one will be saved.
Yes.
Both
I will
options.
take that one.
Take
I
this
will
one.
yes.
Yeah.
I got
Usually take away your opponent, create damage, and save your people. Usually it's good. So
put one
how
there.
about we play C1? And
Yes.
okay.
That
So
would be good.
C1 or D3, which one is the best?
C1.
C1. Okay.
C1.
From your
Yes,
knowledge,
I knew
C1
it.
is best. I agree. For me, I need to think more. The choice is D3 in this situation, D3 is better. But C1 is good enough for you. So we do it. We play here. Take away the white. And
Yes.
then let's see what happened for white. Oh, white play here. Oh, is there any red alert?
Yes.
This one is red alert. So what can we do?
We need to play a black one and so
We connect them, join them together, right?
yes.
Yeah, prevents
a-
the damage. This one makes sense. Yes. Okay,
Yes,
we
it's
play
so
here.
easy to debug the robot.
Yeah, it is a easy, not very, yeah. When you play, it will be hard. Okay, oh, white play here. Okay, so looks like white, we are all connected. We are connected. White, well, it's not connected. And, well, can we play in this area? Is this good?
No. I no.
Probably not very good. How about play here?
And yes.
We are connected, very safe,
Yes.
and we try to get more territory.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I got that. That's
Okay.
good.
Do you
That's
think
pretty
play
good.
here is good?
No. No.
Why? If we play here, what happened for?
The white will put it here.
Oh, it will take you. You will die. So
Yes.
this one probably not. How about black play here?
No. No.
Where should white play?
E2.
Connect or take you away
Yes.
if black play
Yeah.
here. E2,
Yeah.
right? So looks like we play a lot of location, not very good. We play here, stay close
Yes.
with our friend, makes sense. So basically,
If wife is here, maybe.
A, B makes sense. How about we
B.
play here? We stay close with our friend. We decrease the chi and put white
Yes.
in red alert situation.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, this one is
Yes.
also makes sense, but most likely white will connect. Okay, so A, B, and C. Okay, is there any other option? So right now, I give you one
C.
suggestion. A, B, C, okay, that's all our suggestion. But as a good leader, you need to think, is there any more option? So in which
C.
game, if you see your
C.
opponent is not connected as one string, this location is called cutting point. And maybe there's an opportunity when you play cutting point. If black play here, is this good? You
I
are
don't know.
you are not close with your friend, and but look at here. Is this red alert?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Well, can this white really escape?
No. No. And he will put one there.
Oh, that
yeah, and then
means
he ate you. And he ate the robot.
so now we have option A, B,
he
C,
ate
D.
the robot.
If we play C, well, the robot will connect and save the people. But if we play D, we probably guarantee create damage for this white.
Yes, I will choose that.
So A, B, C, D. Which one do you think is the best?
D.
D. Okay, the choice is yes. D is pretty good for our knowledge because we are first time player. D is good enough. So let's play D. Okay, so we play here. And in fact, when we play here, most likely white will sacrifice it. Yes, white sacrifice, white play here and put our black in red alert. So
The one.
where shall we play? We are in red alert. So how do we deal with this red alert situation?
I don't know.
We play a4, increase the qi,
Yes.
or we can play here and take white and save our
Yes.
people.
Yes. Right there.
a4, that's A, or a3, B.
B.
B,
B.
okay.
That would be
Well,
better
we
if
will
we
play
kill
B.
him.
Well, for
That'd be
advanced
better if I
players, they will
kill him.
know
We ate
B,
the
A is
robot.
better, but A and B are both good decision for first-time player. So we play here.
We're gonna beat him.
Okay, and then white's turn. White will play. Oh, white play here. Okay. Oh, do you know why white play here?
Why?
Probably you don't know why white play here. Usually white will play here
Yes.
to get more territory, but the choose is white play here. And do you know why white play here?
No.
Okay, but I give you one hint. What is this? And what is this? And what is this? It's here.
10 territory.
And
2 eyes.
yes, two eyes. So the white is trying to make eye to help them survive forever. Okay, for us, we already have eye. We have some territory we can have eye. So we will have two eye. So we don't need to worry. So now it's our turn. So where do we play? Do we play here to make eye? That's reasonable move. Or how about play here? Take public space.
Make 2 eyes.
Two eyes, okay. Well,
So,
yes, for our first time player, play here is pretty good. But the
yes.
choice is play B is better. Because
Why?
why? Because you can use this territory to make I in the future. So you
Yes. I
guarantee
guess B is
I,
good.
and you guarantee I, you get more
And
territory. So play here is better. Okay,
yes.
so
I
most
wanted
likely white will play here, take some public space. Okay, and then our turn. We will play, this is a public space. So if we play here,
that.
well, that's red alert because white can take you away. So we can
Yes.
only play here. Take a public
Yes.
space, then
Yes.
maybe in the future we can take there. So we will play here. And then
Where
let's
is
wait
the
for
robot be?
white. The
Where's
robot.
the robot?
Oh, the robot play here. Okay, why robot didn't play
Oh.
here? It's a
I
public
don't-
space. Because if your
Yes.
robot play there, you can play here, take both of them.
Yes, I'll
Robot
play
play
there.
here, decrease the chi, so robot won't make mistake or beginner mistake. So robot play here. Now the only public space. Can you find the only public space? It's A5. So
A5.
we will play the A5.
A5.
Yes, so we will play A5.
We got it.
So now
If
it's
it was here and
white's
here, then
turn.
he would
Oh,
die.
white pass. Why? Do you think white will play here? Do you think white play here is good? A1? Can this one survive?
And
Most likely no. How about white
No.
play A2? And
no.
maybe the white player think, oh, I play here. I put this black in danger. Next step, I play here. I can take all black. So white play here. Is this plan working?
No.
Why? Where do you think black will play?
Ooh. Here?
White will play A1 and take the
Yes.
white. Or black will play there. So that's
Yes.
why white won't play there because it's black's territory. Play there won't help me to survive. So, and it costs me one step, but it won't help me to survive. So that's why white pass. And then black will continue play. So black will continue play. This right now there's no public space. So black will continue, we call it fill in. So we increase our population. So white will continue pass, black continue fill in. In the future, you will learn that we will have other methods to count the score. But today we use population. So we will continue filling until
Yes.
2 eyes left. For us, do you want to continue filling? Look at the green board. Do you want to
No.
continue filling? Well,
No.
if you have only one eye, then the white play here and all you will die. So you have to
Yes.
leave 2 eye. That means
Yeah.
white can never play here. If white play there, white will
You
die immediately. So now
Yeah,
we
if
will
one play
pass
here, he would die
and white will
too.
pass. Both players pass,
He's
the
gonna
game is
never
over.
kill us.
So now
Uh-huh.
can you find the score for black and white? So use your math skill. Let's start from white. What's the score for white? Population. 7. I agree.
7.
Yeah. You may count one by one, but this is my way to count. I realize this is 4, and this is a 4. This is called a pyramid 4. If you turn upside down, this one is called bend 3. So 3 and 4 is 7.
Yes.
Okay. And what's the score for black?
14.
14. Miles, do you
14.
agree? I agree. 14. Okay. So this is how I know the score. And of course, I can count. I can count by 5,
6.
but I
5,
visualize.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
So I visualize this one. If I move it here, then this is a rectangle 10. And this is a 4. So it's 10 and 4. It's called 14. Okay, it's very fast and accurate. It's better than count one by one. And we are 14 and white is 7. So what's the difference between black and white?
Black has the most.
Black get more, and the difference between black and white is the subtraction. 14 minus 7. So do you know 14 minus 7? Kindergarten, maybe you don't know. 7. Yes. So if we pass,
7 is 14.
the robot will count the score and the robot will tell you the result. So now we pass. Oh, the system said, okay, you win 7 points because you're 14. You're 7 points more than the white score. Okay.
Yeah.
So,
yes, we beat the robot.
Yes, we beat the robot. So today we have finished the game. So next so our class almost finished here.
No.
So we have shared the robot website. So if you love this game, you can continue play with robots. And so, but let me share some information. So most likely you won't win the game. You probably lost 5-10 games, and then you will have chance. The best player, beginner, they win the game after 3 games. But some people they play 20 games and they still cannot win the game with robot. So for you, you can play with this robot, and you can start with size 5, and you play and play. Okay, and until you win the first game, and you can continue go to the bigger size board and try to use the knowledge we learned today. Okay, and you can also, if you love this game, you can also, after one game, you can replay this game. So you can, when the game is over, you can click replay, and this website will show you, where you play. You can click this red triangle, and it will replay the game. So if it's a yellow circle, usually it's not bad decision. But in the future, when you play, you may experience a red cross. That means probably not very good. And you will make lots of mistake when you challenge the robot. Okay, so that's for today's lesson.
Excuse
So,
me.
yes.
I'm gonna
So,
get my very big chessboard.
so today's lesson we will finish here. So,
不用，
so do you have any question about this game?
But I have this very big chessboard.
Oh, you have a bigger Weiqi board. Yes, this is a standard 19 by 19 board. When you play on bigger board, you will use
That's
different
pretty
counting score.
heavy.
Yeah, you
Well,
will play
can you
the basic rule and the basic idea will be the same, but you will focus
19.
more on get more
19.
territory, and you will use another way to count the score. But basically, it will be the same result. Today we learned population. The future you will learn it's called the territory. Yeah. Okay, so that's for today's lesson. So, do you have any question? So I already shared the website, so you can visit the website. You can play with the robot by yourself, and if you have any question, you can contact me for this game. Okay, so that's for today's lesson, and I will
And
record
then-
the video.
and
And
then
if you
there's a
want to
smaller
review the
board
video, you can also
here.
ask me. Yes,
This-
and you start from small board and you continue practice, and then you can increase your board size, upgrade your skill, and then you finally you can go to the bigger board, and that's very challenging.
This,
Okay.
what? This is what by what?
This one probably is 13 by 13. So this your board is like a double side. One side is 19 by 19. The other is 13 by 13. You can still play on small board. It's relatively easy, relatively faster, and but for one day you will discuss. You will find out that the 19 by 19 is the most challenging one. Okay. So okay. So that's good
Yeah,
for
that's a
today's
big
lesson.
chessboard.
Milos and Erna.
I'm
So
gonna put it
let's
here.
say bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
拜拜，再见，拜拜。Hi Steve 。OK，
好，谢谢你啊，拜拜。
好，OK，拜拜。Milos and Erna, you may leave now. I will talk with Steve. Hi Steve.
Okay. Bye.
Hi. Do you have any question? Yeah.
No, sorry, I was late. A friend was in the hospital, and now we know he has
Oh.
COVID,
Okay.
and I was exposed, so I don't know.
Okay.
But if things had gone as they should have, I would have been here on time.
Oh, sorry but it's okay. I don't think you missed any important information. But the most important for a Go player is we use population score, not the territory score. This one is very efficient for absolute beginner. And there's a situation we call completeness, means we fill in with the maximum number of population with only 2 eyes left. It's very easy for beginner to understand this situation. And the final score is compatible with territory counting. So when you teach beginner, one day you said, okay, we upgrade to bigger board. We don't have enough stone. We don't need to fill in. And then we learn a new method to count the score, and kids will be very easy to accept the new method. Okay. So
and I didn't know about Kasumi.net. That's a very good tool to know about.
Yeah, they have several rules. So the one I used, it's called Jungo.
Right.
This one. This one.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, I
this one.
bookmarked it.
Yeah, the other one, it's a normal rule, but this
Yeah,
one is the rule with population score. So
Yeah.
usually for absolute beginner, I
Mhm.
use this one to teach kids.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in the classroom, usually in the classroom, there are like 30 kids. So
Yeah.
you have to show them the game and then let them play. If
Mm-hmm.
it's a s- it's a- if it's a small group, like only like 3 4 people, then a teacher can play game. Then it's relatively easy. But
Yep.
for the uh, bigger classroom, it's hard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Yeah, we did
So
that. We did that a few years ago in
mhm.
Cleveland, and we hope
The
to do it
hardest thing
again.
is, yeah, they don't know when the game is over, so
Yeah.
it's confused. But this situation, the completeness situation with population score, it's very clear and
Mm-hmm.
it's easy for them to understand. It's compatible. So this is probably the most efficient way.
Yep.
Mm,
Yep. Great.
okay.
Okay, I gotta run.
Okay. So no problem. I will prepare your classroom package this week,
Yeah.
and
No rush.
no, right. Okay. Yeah. So, what's your plan to use this classroom package? Do you want to use it in classroom or just use in your like club situation?
No. We would hope to use it in a classroom,
Classroom. Yes.
um, and we'll see how that works out. And
Yes.
maybe we may not be able to do it this year, but next year we'll be in a better shape
Yeah.
to
Try to
print
find
many.
opportunity, contact teachers,
Yep.
and find. Yeah. When I start to teach, I contact school, and they said, okay, we don't need this one. We don't need you.
Yeah.
But finally, right now, every week I will teach in classroom. I will bring the classroom, teaching like 30 kids. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Great.
see you. Yeah.
See it.
Bye bye. Mm,
谢谢。
bye bye.